Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we'll discuss another interesting topic in Meta Ads, and that is an update like customer lifestyle strategy. So basically this update is recently coming in the Meta Ads account and we can use it to target new customer. In today's video I will explain you how you can use it to generate more sale if you are already running an e-commerce campaign in your Meta Ads. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. As you can see, this is a campaign, like this is an ad account in which we are running campaigns from the last 3 years. So the thing is, if you are running e-commerce campaign from a very long time, there are chances that people have already viewed your ad and you are getting some issues to target the new audiences. So for that particular error, you can use this new update which is recently coming, like customer lifecycle strategy that will help you to target the new customer who haven't seen your ad, who haven't interacted with any of your Instagram or Meta page. You can directly target them with the help of this particular option. This is recently coming in Meta Ads and I have used it for my campaigns and I have seen very good result. That is why I am creating this video so that you can use it for your campaigns as well and generate some good quality sales if you are already running a campaign from a long time. Because when we run a e-commerce campaign, the main issue is we are getting more frequency. Frequency means to say people are seeing our ad again and again, and that is costing it and that is killing our budget a lot of time. So to overcome this error, what we can do is we can use this particular option to target the new customer and get sale from them. So let me tell you where you can use it. First of all, you just need to click on the create button, and as you normally click on the sales button to create a sale campaign, and after that, once you will go to the ad set section, you can see this option here. As you can see, there is a new option, customer lifecycle strategy. So this is the option which I am talking about. Like this option help you to target new audiences. Like earlier, how we can target the new customer in our old campaigns, we will exclude the existing audiences, like people who have visited our website page, people who have interacted with our Instagram ads, Facebook page. So we are excluding them to showcase the ad only to the people who have never seen our ads. So in this option, you can see two options, like get conversion from old audience. So this option help you to choose, like if you choose this option, you will get conversion with lower cost and your ad will seen by old audience, mean people who have already seen your ad, people who haven't seen your ads. This option shows your ad, all of them. But acquire new customer, this is a game changer which recently coming in Meta Ads. This acquire new customer option help you to target only the new visitors. Like if you're already running a campaign from the last 1 to 2 years, you definitely need new audiences because your frequency is going high. People are again seeing your ads, but they are not converted. If like there are two chances, whether they have already converted or they are not able to convert. So in that case, you will use this particular strategy to remove the people who have already seen our ads, so that we can show our ads only to the new ones. And in that way, we will definitely target the new people who haven't seen our ads. And as you can see, if the people haven't seen our ad, the new audience, if they will see our ad, they will definitely convert. And in that way, you can increase a lot of sale. And in today's video, I'll need to explain you this option because this option is a game changer. So I will definitely recommend you to use it in your campaigns. And if you have any query and concern regarding that, you can definitely contact me through the number flashing on the screen. And thank you so much.